Air and water. This is our today's chapter. So everyone we know that 1 minute. No one can't live without air and water. These two items most valuable for us, not only for human, also for animals, also for plants. Nobody can survive without air and water. Can we survive without air? Can we imagine a day without water? We can't. If without air we can't breathe, and without water, no one can live. Animal, plants, and human being also. Nobody. Now air is all around us. But the thing is that we can't see it. It is present everywhere. If you look at here and there, air is present everywhere in the atmosphere. সব দিকে air আছে. But the thing is we cannot touch it. Can we touch the air? Can you do it? I can't. Can you touch the air? I can't touch the air. I also can't see the air. We cannot see the air. Okay, and it has no smell, no color, no taste. But only thing is that we can feel air. Yes, we can feel that it is very cool. It is very cold today. We also say that it is very hot today because we can feel the air. That's why we can see. All living beings need air to live. Air help us to breathe. Air help us to feel cold and hot. Air gives us shape things. And air helps in burning. Air helps us to smell things. And air helps a bird to fly. So these are the things that air helps us to do. Now go to the next page. Go to the next page, all of you. Page number 74. In page number 74, it is written that look at the cloth line. Cloth line means যেখানে জামা কাপড় মেলা হয় normally. The clothes are swaying because of SWAYING. Swing because of moving air. মানে দেখো জামা কাপড়গুলো কি হয়, হাওয়া দিলে একটু কি হয়, দোলে তো. So like the same thing is happening in the picture. Moving air is called wind. This posture. Moving air is called wind, and a soft wind is called breeze. When normally moving air, যখন এমনি হাওয়া দিচ্ছে, we can say it is wind. But when the moving air is also when the air blow or when the air moves very softly, it is called, or when the wind blow very softly, it is breeze. And a very strong wind is known as storm. Clean and fresh air, good for us. When we breathe in, air fills our lungs. How air gets polluted? All of you are advised to look at your book. Shamprikta, look at your book. No need to look at the screen because you are having your own book. How air gets polluted? Because every day, day by day, we human are polluting the air. How? Sometimes air gets dirty with dust and smoke. Dust means dhulo moila and smoke means dhoa. Factory emit, EMIT, emit mean release, ছাড়া, নির্গত হওয়া. Factory mean কল কারখানা থেকে যে ধোঁয়াটা বেরোয়. Emit mean বেরোনো, ছাড়ে. Factory emits smoke, making air dirty. Smoke from vehicle mean car, pollute the air. Burning of garbage in open space also make the air unclean. So student, you need to prepare this sentence that how air gets polluted. So in the exam also, if you get this question that how air gets polluted, then your answer will be that air gets polluted with dust and smoke. Factory emits smoke make the air dirty. Smoke from vehicle pollute the air, and burning of garbage in open space make the air unclean. So mainly three things: factory emits smoke, smoke from vehicle, and burning of garbage makes the air unclean, makes the air polluted. So it will be the answer. We should try to keep the air clean. How? By planting more and more trees. Water. Just like the air, we all need water to live. All living beings need water. Water helps us in doing many activities like drinking, bathing, washing, bath, everything. We use water for cooking, cleaning, for watering the plants also. We also use water to put out fire. Let me tell you, student, put out mane nebhanu. Put out is a phrasal verb. It means nebhanu. Like us, plants and animals also need water. Plants need water to grow. Animals need water to drink and bath. Underline this sentence that plants need water to grow and animals need water to drink and bath. Okay. Now look at this box. The Ganga River. The Ganga River is the one of the most important river in India. It begins its journey from the Himalaya. Himalaya is the name of a mountain. And the Ganga River begins its journey from Himalaya. Himalaya পর্বত থেকে এই নদীটা কি হয়েছে ওখান থেকে স্টার্ট হয়েছে, ওর জার্নিটা শুরু করেছে, যাত্রাটা। Water is also found in under the ground. We get this underground water by digging wells. Digging wells mean dig mean খোঁড়া, digging well mean পাতকো খুঁড়ে, অনেকের বাড়িতেই পাতকো বানানো হয় পাটি খুঁড়ে। So we get water in our home through pipes. So there is also two questions. One question is that how we get underground water? We get underground water by digging well, মাটি খুঁড়ে পেতে পারি। And how we get water in our home? In our home we get water through pipes, through water pipes. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water and also the natural source of water. It is not man-made. Rain is the main and natural source of water. During the rainy season, many oceans, river, lake, pond, stream are filled up with rainwater. And these are few water bodies: rain, ocean, river, pond. These are water bodies. And the last one, we should not waste water. And how we can save water? We should turn off the tap after using water, always. And we should drink clean water. Completed. Now just look at this box. Exercise A. I'm doing this. All living beings need air to die or live. Let me unmute you. Don't start shouting, okay? Give me the answer softly. All living beings need air to die or live. Die? Who is saying die? Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Burning of garbage in open space makes the air unclean. Very good. What happened? rain. Why are you shouting? Acha, rain is the natural source of air or water. We should turn off the sound. Turn off. Yes. Now look at this. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at the picture. This one will be T and this one. Because plant also need air to live and land also. As a student, now I'm giving you a classwork. Write only one sentence for air, and only one sentence for water right now. Any one sentence. Do it now. Write any one sentence for air and water. Any one sentence. একটা করে সেন্টেন্স লেখো এয়ার এর একটা সেন্টেন্স কি হতে পারে এয়ার ইজ এভরিওয়্যার we can't see it or we can only feel it. And for water you can write as you wish. Any sentence you can write, anything you can write. Do it now. Any one sentence you have to write. You can write that no one can live without water, or else you can write water is very precious, or else you can write we should not waste water. যে কোনো একটা লাইন লেখো যে কোনো for air only one line and for water only one line. Do it now and write in your book. Exercise B, question answer I will give you. Only write the answer of exercise mode to do 2, air and water. Yes, Mushina. What happened, student? What happened? So let me drop your hand. If you have any doubt, then raise your hand again. One sentence for air and one sentence for water. Yes, Shivagni.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of air?
Which one? Air.
Air, not air, fair.
F-A-I-R, fair.
F-I-R-E.
Not fair, it is fire. Fire mane agun.
Okay, ma'am.
Shampriti.
Ma'am, soybean means ki dola.
Haan, dola.
Thank you.
Yes, Bornabho. Bornabho. Those who have written the answer for air and water, show me your book. If you have written, yes, Mandeep, unmute your device. Yes, Mandeep, Bornabho. You have written in the copy, okay. Let me check. Shivagni, Ashna, Arshi, Ashna, Naz. Be attentive in the class.
Rimjim.
Acha, Vaishani. Acha, okay. Armin, Shampriti, Raisha, Mushina, Ayush, Deeptha. Very good. Ifra, okay. Rashi, Shamprikta, Himadri, Swastik, okay, good, very good. Shumon, Arvika, Irene, keep it down. The name that those I have taken, they can drop their copy. Keep it down. Okay, Oishani, keep it down. Ronak Roy, Tirasha, okay, Shivagni, Ashna. Arhan. Okay. Irene. Sampriti. Okay, very good. Shagnik. Very good. Who is left? Tata. Ayush is saying me that ma'am Tata. No more today. It's enough. Okay, it's also time also over. Acha, I'm waiting for Irene. What is Irene? Okay, Orko Paul, very good. Rajdi, did you show me your copy? Okay. Yes, Irene, unmute your device. Arohi,
Yes, ma'am.
completed. Only one sentence. One sentence means only one little short sentence. Very, very good. Very good. Okay, so bye bye for today, all of you. See you.